Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use a smart unfold to flat the double curvature surface inside the Solidworks. So this is actually the model here is quite relative flat. It's very simple. And to use our software, you have to download the plugin from our website and install into SolidWorks, and then the menu item here says unfold here, and then just click this one here for this kind of surface. It's very easy, and just click the middle, select one point here and select the surface, and then you just click the OK, and you should be able to see the results. Where's the results here? Yeah, here's the results here. So just finish this one here, and we see from the top here. Yeah, okay, good. See here, this is actually the result here. So it's very uh, simple surface, and then the result should be then quite accurate. So and yeah, it's very easy to use. If you have any questions, please let me know. That's for that's for today. Thank you. Bye.